Watch this. I am going to enter a small prompt here to Autodesk Revit where I am asking Autodesk Assistant to create a new seat per level and add the floor plan. And you're gonna see the magic. So here you can see we just wrote this very generic sentence and Autodesk Assistant have created this floor plan for us. You can see how this proper title box created and these two seats are now being added. And of course you can always ask it to modify. So I'm gonna say add my company name as XYZ company and my name as Preetham. Now again I'm gonna hit enter or submit and then it will automatically do the rest of the thing for you. So this is power of generative AI now comes built inside Autodesk Revit. And for the new users, let me also give you a very brief intro about Autodesk. So Autodesk Revit is a flagship BIM software. BIM stands for Building Information Modeling. Architects, structural engineers, and MEP teams use it to design building, not just as a drawing, but as intelligent 3D model where every wall, door, and windows carry real data, dimension, material, cost, and manufacturer. It's a kind of backbone of how modern building get designed. And like any powerful tool, it is also full of repetitive tasks, creating seats, tagging doors, renaming views, and so on. These eat up hours of architect day, and that's a problem. Autodesk Assistant is built to solve it. And how this thing work? Well, Autodesk Assistant is a generative AI built directly into Revit. I mean, you do not need to go outside. It is already built inside. And by the way, if you cannot chat with it, it may be possible that the tech preview is disabled by default. So all here you need to do is you need to click here on setting and then you need to enable it. Sometime you may see that this is not even available. So what you can do here is you can go on the top and click this button which is present just left to your minimize button, and that's how you may able to access or enable it. And as we just saw, this is not just a simple chatbot or help function. It can actually do things in your model, not just talk about them. It can work in three ways. Product help, you can of course ask how to use certain feature. For example, how do I transfer project standard? Or maybe you can ask for any kind of query. For example, you can ask about your project. For example, how many columns are there in ground floor? And of course, we can do task automation, which is exactly just you saw. And the reason why it works so well, because of something called MCP, which is Model Context Protocol. It is an open standard built by Anthropic that lets AI read and write live model data directly. AutoCAD 2027 is the first version with built-in MCP server, and that's why this is so powerful. Alright, now let me talk about how you can set it up, or if this particular feature is not available to you. Well, as I told you, if you want this particular feature, you need to have at minimum Autodesk 2027, as this feature just announced and launched recently. Now let me show you, if you want to try it by yourself for free for about a month, then how you can get Autodesk Revit 2027. Well, for that, maybe I can close it right now. We can visit our internet browser, and then here I'm gonna type autodesk.com. Now as we visited this website, all here we need to do is we need to click on sign in. Now here you need to enter your email address, or if you need to create new account, you can do that by clicking here on create account. Once you have created account, what we can do next is we can do sign in using same account. And once you log in, you can always have got this 30 days of free trial, which kind of give you ample of amount and opportunity to try this latest version that now also comes with this generative AI chatbot. Now let me also show you one more example. For that, again, I'm gonna open Revit. Alright, so again, here I'm gonna click on new, and now I'm gonna select this time unit system as metric. And now here we go. Let's again call the Autodesk Assistant. Now here I am going to ask the following question, which is I am asking here to create a color scheme for rooms in the view, and I want it by name. So let's see again. And it says that it looks like there are no room, and it is also asking us that if you want me to create room. So I'm gonna say yes, please create room. And now it will help us in creating these rooms. Alright, so in this way guys, we have just seen how powerful and integrated AI has become. And that's also wrap up this video guys. Hope guys you find this video helpful and informational. If so, then please make sure you subscribe to Engineering Pritham for more such